Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today what we are going to make is a poo. What are we going to make? We are going to make a poo. Poo matlab poo nahi. Poo matlab poo. Y'all are understanding what is poo? Poo means the bear poo. So let's get started. Now this is the eye of Pooh. Pooh, 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 pooh. This will be a C here. Oh, I did not teach you all. Okay, from here we take a slide, we come down here. From here we take a C and we come here. After that we make his golu golu chicks. And after making the golu golu cheeks, there will be little honey flowing because Pooh is a bear who loves to eat honey. Actually, every bear loves to eat honey. So this is his mouth, who's eating honey, and his clothes go from here. Okay, so his after this, what we are supposed to make is ears like that, like that. Actually, my drawing has become a little darker. It should not be that dark, but then it's okay. No problem. Now from here, we're going to take his... Okay, so this will be his eye, shaded part. Have I drawn the drawing wrong? I have no idea. No, he's looking like Pooh. Even if he's not looking like Pooh, he's looking like some teddy bear. Oh, lo, 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 lo. Okay, now after this, you have to make his chubby cheeks. है ना, इधर से ऐसे cheeks भी तो आएगी उसकी. ये इधर आई है तो इधर भी तो आनी चाहिए ना. And then his hands that go right here. And baki ka hand is gone inside his mouth. So we are making his clothes. Lot of work, children. Diwali time. Tanu auntie is busy now. But yes, I'll draw few cartoons because I enjoy making that. And Rangoli design, I tried 2 days. 2 days I wasted because you understand there was no post for 2 days. There was no post for 2 days. That means Tanu auntie was not able to do that Rangoli design. So I'm not going to touch the Rangoli design again. I don't know how to take the colors. Even if I do it without the Rangoli colors, it's just impossible for me. Sometimes I can't do certain things, yaar. So this is the honey ka... What should I call? I have to make a peculiar shape first, and then I will make the comb types. Now I will not make mistakes. One of his legs is here. Okay, this is his bushat. And a little honey shall flow from here too. We're going to rub the other parts. Let the honey flow from here because he's put his hand, so little honey should come out, and we're going to rub a little bit of this here. Poo. I love doing cartoons, I love doing drawings, but since there is a lots and lots of work, even your mummies must be understanding दिवाली में कितना काम होता है. ऐसा नहीं, तनु आंटी ऐसे झूठ नहीं बोल रही है. दिवाली में बहुत काम होता है. And then my classes and so on. So sometimes you should excuse me for this month, but I'm dead sure that I'm not going to do ekdam kam videos. I usually post alternate days video. That means in a month I post 15, but this month it might not be 15. It might be a little less, but it is going to be there. That is for sure. Suwar wala suwar nahi, sure. Okay, let me be little sophisticated when I say this. I can be sure about it. Sure. Okay. So sure. I think so his nose should go a bit ahead. A little ahead here. Yeah. So few parts जो रब किया है होता है. I think so I'm done. Now when I do my black border and I'll come back to you. Is he looking like Pooh? इसका माथा भी छोटा लग रहा है मेरे को. Let's do it. A little more prominent. The shape will remain the same, but the only thing is that we have to make it a little more bigger. A little more. इधर मैं हंसी हूँ उधर तू जवां है ला 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 ला. A simple way of making poo 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 poo. La la la. No, I think so. This should go up. You know, when you're making a particular cartoon which is already existing, then it is a challenge that it should look like that particular cartoon, correct? If you're making someone's portrait, suppose if you're making Gandhiji's portrait, and if that portrait is not looking like Gandhiji, then it is of no use, na? Similarly, when you all are doing any cartoon, if you all are making Minnie, if you're making Goofy, even I made Pluto, but I made the Bachpan ka caricature of Pluto. He was not that exact dog which I made, because I never opt for such things. I never opt for things which are very difficult. See, drawings can be simple and you can enjoy. It is not necessary that only difficult drawings are to be enjoyed. Simple drawings are also something which you can enjoy. So I think so now, yes, it is looking like one. Now what I am going to do is I'm going to quickly marker and come back. So chutki baja ke marker. Okay, ta-da-da, I'm back and my Pooh is done with the bordering. And now what we need to do is I've taken my deep yellow color and my simple yellow color, children. And what am I going to do is I'm going to put deep yellow. I can take a little bit of brown as well. Let me take my chocolatey brown. Okay, so I take a little bit of brown and I put brown somewhere. I'll just show you where, just below the ear parts, so that you all are not confused where the brown is supposed to be. Actually his eyebrows are brown. If you all wish, you all can do it. If you all don't wish, it's okay. There will be little brown here and a little brown here. But this brown, what you're doing, children, is not supposed to be done ghasit ke daba ke. It has to be done little. Okay, a little brown here. This is his leg part, the shadow parts in the legs. This brown is supposed to be for the shadow parts. Okay, now we take a deep yellow. Now we take a deep yellow and we pull brown. Wherever there is brown, we are just going to pull it out first. And there are many other places also where you're supposed to do your deep yellow color. Okay. La 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 la. So this cheek will be shining here, so the deep yellow will be down here. Here. You know, there's a very famous गाना. अब मेरे को वो याद नहीं आ रहा, वो म्यूजिक के साथ आ रहा था. जो भी प्यार से मिला हम उसी के हो लिए ला 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 ला. Pooh was like that. Pooh 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 pooh. Pooh is a pear. Pooh is a pear. A lovely, lovely pear who loved to eat honey and so my Potu. This is my favorite cartoon character. मेरे को छोटा भीम, छोटा सिंघम, ये सब ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगता. Yes, Tom and Jerry is also one of my favorite characters because we used to watch those characters, correct? when we were small. That is why they become our favorite. So this is deep yellow wherever I have done. Now I'm taking my normal yellow, or what you can call this yellow as the lemon yellow, yes. And then you need to do your lemon yellow throughout. Okay, so our lemon yellow goes throughout. Smudging. I was doing smudged divane. So baki ka poo is yellow in color. You can take your medium yellow as well, because I feel this is too light color, because it does not flow back very fast. But it's okay, since I have already taken. Now I'm not going to change it. Okay, this hand का मैं करने भूल गई. इधर नीचे पोर्शन में थोड़ा सा डीप अलग कर देंगे भाई. ओए हाय ये टेडी बे, नाम इसका है पू. पू 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 poo 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 poo. ये उसका पैर. ओके. ओह, ये क्या काला आ गया. अच्छा, उसके पैर गंदे हो गए थे, नीचे से कीचड़ में चला गया था. ओके. सावन का महीना, पवन करे सुर. शोर नहीं बाबा, शोर. पवन करे सुर. जियरल झूमे से जैसे बलमा नचे मोरो. अभी हनी का भी कलर येलो होता है. So we have to do the honey color also yellow. This is his lips, okay? This is Pooke lips. Now we are supposed to color the honey yellow or golden. If you all are having fluorescent color, children, please use your fluorescent color. I was just wondering, that was not looking fluorescent. My fluorescent color is also about to get over. Can you see how chinchu sa fluorescent color I have? I'm using my deep yellow again to do it somewhere, and then you can use your fluorescent yellow to color this part. सावन का महीना, पवन करे सर. सर नहीं बाबा, सर. पवन करे सर. से. अभी क्या करना है पता है? ये जो ब्लू है ना, उसको ऐसे नीचे हर एक पार्ट पे करना है. जिधर भी हमने ब्लैक का किया है ना, उसके नीचे वाले पार्ट में हमको ये डार्क ब्लू करना है. से जैसे बलमाना चे मोरो. आज दोनों टीचर स्पाइडरमैन बनी हुई थी. पूछा कि नहीं कैसे इसलिए बन गई थी, बिकॉज मैं सफाई कर रही थी ना. तो सफाई करते करते हम लोगों को ऊपर जो वी स्टे इन बिल्डिंग, सो वी हैव परछत्तीस, और परछत्ती में से स्पाइडरमैन जैसे जा सकते हैं. जो काबिलियत तुम्हारी तन्नू टीचर में ही है. पवन करे सर. नहीं, शोर नहीं बाबा, सर. पवन करे सर. जीरल झुमस जैसे बलमा नचे मोरो. Now I've taken my Persian blue color, children. That was my Antwerp color. अब ये Persian blue से भी मैं थोड़ा आइस करती ताकि तुमको अच्छा लगती। ओके, अभी थोड़ा सा काला लेती और थोड़ा सा काला भी करती ताकि तुमको अच्छा लगती। Okay, now I take my maroon color. Maroon, crocodile. Maroon color आता तो मेरे को crocodile ही याद आता है, पता नहीं क्यों। Because पता है, मैं है ना, when I was small, I just discovered there is some color called maroon. So जब भी and maroon color was not very famous that time. So whenever children used to tell ना कि crocodile, और मेरे को तो मैं ही थी जिसको पता था मरून कलर होता है, तो मैं बोलती थी मरून है, तो वो लोग बोलते छी ऐसा कोई कलर ही नहीं होता, मरून क्या कलर होता है, और मैं जीत जाती थी। आई यूज टू डू दैट, इज़ वाई वेन एवर मरून कलर कम्स इन माई फितरत आई रिमेंबर crocodile. Which color do you want? We have played all these games and you kids are just in your mobiles. Please come out of your mobiles, play good games. हम लोग तो चप्पल चोर भी खेलते थे, तुम लोगों ने कभी ये गेम भी नहीं सुनी होगी। डॉग एंड द बोन वगैरह खेला होएगा तुम लोगों ने कभी कभी। हम तो बहुत खेलते थे, छुपा छुपी, चोर पुलिस। We hardly used to play that घर वाला game, but we used to play all these naughty games. So my poo का कपड़ा भी बन गया है। अभी what we need to do is the grass part, and for the grass part, what do I take? 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 My leaf green color. सावन का महीना पवन। अरे यार अभी ये लॉकडाउन ख़त्म हो जाना चाहिए यार। पता है हम लोगों के है ना, मतलब न्यू ईयर में ना देर इज़ अ रिवाज ऑफ बर्निंग अ ओल्ड मैन एंड वेलकमिंग अ न्यू चाइल्ड, है ना। It is practiced in many states. ये 2020 का जो पुतले ने इसको बहुत ज़बरदस्त जला देने का, a very bad year. Tried to do many good things, but स्टिल ना मज़ा नहीं आया। ये 2020 ने तो बहुत दुखी किया हमको। हम तो घर में ही रह गए और तन्नू आंटी बन गए और फन ड्राइंग चालू कर दिया। क्या करें, कोहिनूर जा नहीं सकती, एग्ज़िबिशन लगा नहीं सकते। एग्ज़िबिशन लगाएंगे तो देखने कोई आता नहीं है, इसलिए हम तो घर पर बैठ गई। घर पर बैठ के क्या करेंगे, पू बनाएंगे, है ना। Okay, so I'm taking a little bit of dark green for her shadow part, children. Since he's sitting, there will be a little bit of shadow down. So a little bit of dark green for her shadow part. अभी बहुत कलर घसते हैं। अभी ऊपर का I'll do a colorful background as usual, but this time we will avoid using yellow because yellow is a major color here. So what we will do is, इस बक्से में ज़्यादा नहीं है, ये बक्सा लेते हैं, मेरे पास दो बक्से हैं। And crocodile, which color should I use? मेरा ब्लू भी ख़त्म होना है, पता है। First I'll start with blue. Yes, my blue. ये काम जल्दी हो जाता ना, इसलिए तनु टीचर करती है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। I'm taking a little bit of yellow because I always pull my blues with yellows and then I jump to my pinks. I always pull my blue with yellows. My brush has become a little kadak, you know, so you can see these bubbles, but I'll dust them up when I post. So I take my pink now. Pinky, pinky, ponky. Yes, pinky, pinky, ponky. Father ran a donkey. Donkey died. Father cried. Pinky, pinky, ponky. La 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 la. जो भी प्यार से मिला हम उसी के हो लिए. Tarannum. Okay, children, after the lockdown gets over, we are going to go in for big things. And when we go for these big things, I'm not going to tell you right away. We will be requiring support of many children around India. I will inform. But that task which we are about to go in for, that task needs to be complied in Mumbai. So I would request if people could come over in big amounts, it's a task to be done by children, which I will be mentioning. Let the things and the dates get finalized. Let this corona go away. And then we will have a multitasked thing. You all will also enjoy that part. And this is a game which we are going to do. Sanskriti Arts always keeps on doing new things. And this is one new thing which we want to do it with children. We will definitely come forward with it. But let this corona go. Corona. Go na. Corona. Please go. Okay, so my poo is done. After it dries, I'll click a photo and wherever required, I will do with I will just show it to you. I show it to you in every video. But this blue patti wala pencil, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to reborder the entire thing. But now since it's wet, I will not be able to do it. But when I post this poo, I'm definitely going to do this coo and then give it to you to do. I'm in the poem. Bye till then, enjoy poo.